Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to add location sticker to your Facebook stories. So let's open Facebook. Let's open stories. You can browse a picture from your gallery or you can take a picture. So let's take a picture. Now on the top you can see the square smiley symbol, tap there, and now on the first row you can see locations. You can choose from the suggested one or you can search for a place also. Just choose one. Now you can drag and position the text wherever you want in the screen. You can even increase the size or minimize the size. You can even make little angle on the text wherever you want in the screen. If you don't want this sticker, just drag down and you can see this trash pin to remove the location sticker. So once you are done, just click share to your story and you can share the location sticker to your stories. So that's all guys. Likewise, you can add the location sticker in your Facebook stories. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.